Hello students, I Neelu Agarwal, your maths teacher, welcomes you to the maths class. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today, let's start with the first chapter, Numbers, from your maths book. The first chapter is about numbers. What are numbers? Numbers are a set of standard symbols, numerals that represent quantities. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are called digits. As you can see from here, these are the numbers and also known as digits. Let us have a quick review of what we have learned in class 4. Exercise 1A, number 1. Write the number names for each of the following numbers. Here you have to write the number names of the following numbers. So now let's solve number 4. Here, what's the number? 5,46,703. Here you can see 5 lakh, 46,000, 703. This way you have to write. Now number 2, write the following numbers in figure. Write the following numbers in figures. Number 1, 3,15,721. How you will write? 3, 1, 5, 7, 2, 1. Now number C, write the place value of 8. Number 2, 8 in 850,019 means 8,50,019. So what is the place value of 8 in this number? The place value of 8 in 8,50,019 is 8 lakh. 8, 00, 000. Now number D, fill in the blanks using these signs. So the greater and the less than sign is given. So number 1, 38,569 dash 1,30,056. This you can put easily. 1,30,056 is greater than 38,569. So like this you can solve all the sums. Now number E, write the successor and the predecessor of these numbers. In successor we have to plus 1 the given number, and the predecessor is we have to subtract 1 from the given number. So you have to write both the successor and the predecessor for the numbers. So number 1, 54,799. So if you will add 1 in this number, then it will become 54,800. This is the successor. And if you will subtract number 1, then it will become 54,798. This is the predecessor. Number F, write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number without repeating a digit using the following digits. Let see number 2, 4 comma 0 comma 3 comma 1. So what will be the greatest number? 4310, right? Right. And the smallest one will be 1034. In this way, you have to write the greatest number will be 4310 and the smallest number 1034. Now, number G, write number 1. Write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 7, 3, 6 and 2. You may repeat the digits. So here only 4 digits are given, but you have to write the 5-digit number, the greatest 5-digit number. So what will be the number? The greatest 5-digit number is 7763 and 2. Like this you have to write, okay, using these numbers. Number 2, write the greatest 4-digit number using 3 different digits. Now, in this number 3, by using 3 different digits, you have to write the greatest 4-digit number. So, the number will be 9987. Now, let's talk about the Indian place value chart. What is the Indian place value chart? The Indian system of numeration. Do you know what is the Indian system of numeration? When there is a small number, we can instantly read it. When there are many digits in a number, it's confusing. So to read the number, so to make reading and writing large numbers easier, the digits are broken into periods separated by commas. Starting from the right end of the number occurring to the Indian system of numeration, the first period is the ones period, consisting of the 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. The other periods to the left of the ones period of 2 places each. From here you can see, to read large numbers we use the above place value chart. In this place value chart, the 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. Ones, here is ones, in ones there is ones, tens and hundreds, then thousand. In thousand there is thousand and 10,000, then lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, then crores, crore, 10 crores. Okay. From the right, you have to see this chart. From the right, first 3 places forms the ones period. Next 2 places forms the thousand period. Next 2 places form the lakh period, and the next 2 places form the crores period. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together, and the name of the period is read along with them. While writing a number, we usually put a comma after every period to separate the periods. This helps us to read the number easily. Now see number A of exercise 1B. Write the following numbers in place value chart. These are the the 6 numbers. You have to draw the place value chart. Then you have to put the numbers in that chart. This is an example shown in your book. You can see from here. Write the following numbers. Okay. From here you can see number A, 23,58,954. So how you will place it in a chart? 4 in a ones place, then 5 in a tens, then 9 is 100, then 8 in thousand, then 5 in 10,000, then 3 lakhs, then 2 in 10 lakh. So this will be 23 lakh 58,954. Okay. Now the second number, 5 crores 3 lakh 94,681. How you will place this in a place value chart? See from here, 1 in a ones place, then 8 in a tens place, then 6, 100, then 4, 1000, then 9, 10,000. You'll start from the right to the left. Then 3 lakh, 0 you will put in a 10 lakh. Now 5 in a crore column. Like this you have to do the sums. Write the following numbers in words. These are the following numbers given. You have to write in words. Number 3, 4 crore 30 lakh 1,925. Okay, how you will write? In this way, you have to write 4,30,01,925. Then what's the words? In words, what you will write? FOUR 4 COCRORE crore, comma THIRTY 30 LAKH lakh, comma ONE 1,000 THOUSAND, comma 925 100 HUNDRET. Like this you have to do the rest of the sums. So students, complete till exercise 1B. Do the rest of the sums of 1A and 1B. The same chapter will continue in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.